The perfect guacamole recipe is very much up for debate, and maybe you already have a go-to recipe, but here's our version of this delicious Mexican dip. We started by adding 3 medium-sized tomatillos, 2 jalapeños, but if you can find serranos, they're even better, half an onion, and 2 cloves of garlic to a dry cast iron pan over medium heat. The goal here is to get a good char on all sides, so you'll need to keep an eye on these and flip them every so often until the skin has blackened and the veggies are cooked through. This will take roughly 20 minutes. It's also a good idea to keep the garlic the furthest away from the center of the pan so it doesn't get too dark. When they look similar to this, it's time to remove them from the heat. Now you just need to trim off and discard the root of the onion and the stems of the peppers, then add everything else to a blender and blend until the veggies are broken up but still a little chunky. Next, to a bowl, add the flesh of 2 large ripe avocados, then season with a few pinches of salt and pepper, followed by the juice of half a lime. Drizzle in roughly 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then mash the avocados with a fork or a potato masher until the mixture is creamy but not completely smooth. Now it's time to pour in your pureed roasted veggies, followed by half a raw onion finely diced and a big handful of finely chopped cilantro. Mix everything together, taste and adjust the seasoning based on your preferences, then you're ready to serve with tortilla chips. Subscribe to Dished for more dip recipes.